Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Keenhot solar-powered robotic pool surface skimmer cleaner. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. 24/7 automatic cleaning. The pool skimmer is equipped with solar panel, which can automatically recharges during daylight hours. Harnessing 100% solar energy, the robot guarantees 24/7 uninterrupted cleaning the water surface automatically and continuously, removing pool surface debris like leaves, dust, pollen, and dead insects. No electricity bills. The automatic pool skimmer is the first choice of environmentalists. Manual and automatic modes. The solar-powered pool skimmer included a remote control unit. Simply use it as soon as it's paired. It has functions such as light fixed point cleaning, edge cleaning, time setting and more, so that you can choose different function to meet your needs. Note, the remote control distance is limited to a radius of 15 meters. Under automatic cleaning mode, the robot will automatically clean the pool according to the planned route. Solar and adapter charging. Harness solar power for continuous operation, backed by a UV-resistant coating for durability even under direct sunlight. Solar-powered pool skimmer also include a power adapter for uninterrupted charging on rainy or cloudy days. Quick 5 to 8 hours charging can provide up to 50 hours of continuous operation time. Maximum cleanable pool area up to 1,722 square feet or 160 square meters. Obstacle avoidance and edge cleaning. This pool vacuum is equipped with advanced sensors and gyroscopes which enable effective obstacle avoidance and precise cleaning, even on hard-to-reach edges and corners of your pool. Suitable for any shape of pool, minimizing the work of pool cleaning. The robotic pool cleaner is the good helper for families. Easy to use and clean. Filter basket has excellent filtering ability and can effectively capture debris and particles for the best cleaning effect. Large fine mesh, 250 debris basket with a top handle allows for easy cleaning without removing the device from the pool. Simply dock, open the cover, and empty the basket. The above-ground pool vacuum operates without cords, allowing for hassle-free cleaning and enhanced mobility around your pool. 2-year warranty for durability and peace of mind. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.